This is Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere, and I am out today to do a test run on setting up this Euromax standard canopy. It's a 10 by 10, 3 millimeter by 3 millimeter Euromax standard canopy tent. And this is a tent that I'll be using at events. So it's convenient because it has wheels on it and I can roll it, but I'm not going to roll it down these stairs. I'm going to pick it up and carry it off. And now it can be rolled, but I'm on the grass. This is not a level surface that I'm on, so I want to see where I'm going to set it up at. Let me take the cover off of it. I'm going to lay it down. It's not too heavy. It's probably about 30 pounds or so. I got the white one. Let's take this off. Let's slip this out, I guess. Let's see here. Stand this up. So they have instructions in here. Does it come out? Yep. Along with setup. Well, this is setup, installation, and also some accessories. Canopy accessories. The weight bag, which I have. Some walls, which I have. I'm going to set that up today too. I think I have about 2 or 3 walls in there, but we'll see. Looks like some screws are in here too. I'm not sure what these screws are for. There's a little bag for storage in here as well. I'll put this back up there while I assemble it. All right, I just grabbed the top too. I want to take it apart easily where I can just slip everything back in, but they taped it here. So I'm just going to take this tape off without destroying it. Yeah, so now it'll slide right on back out, and if I need to, I can just put another piece of tape over that to close it up. But anyway, I'll sit this right here as the top. So far as I know, I can just extend this to 10 feet. We'll see. I might need to put the top of the canopy on first. I think that'd be the better deal. What am I doing? Don't really know, but we're about to find out. Don't laugh at me too bad, y'all. Let me make sure I'm recording. I'm recording. I just checked to make sure that I was recording. This is the corner here. Very important. It says key point to avoid weather damage to the top. Follow the instructions below. Looks like I'm supposed to pinch this together some kind of way around here. There we go. I see it now. I got it. I got it. There we go. Which way you going here? And this is the next corner. This is the corner here. And I'll open this up, put it on that corner end and attach it to the Velcro. So that's another corner down. Here's the corner right here and the Velcro. You just open it up, let it sit on that Velcro there, secure it. Hold it up and walk back. Let's go the other way. I'm sure this is about half of it. Hold it up and go back. Is it? Let's see. Am I just moving it or actually extending it out? This might be a two-person job. Or am I doing this wrong? What is it? Is this a stop? Nope. I need to. So, is this going to prove that I won't be able to set this up myself? Or will I need help? Because this ain't going nowhere. I'm weak. I'm weak. I'm weak. All right. I'm weak. I'm strong. No, I'm strong. Yeah, I'm just pulling this thing. Okay. It's coming up a little bit at a time. Uh-oh. I don't want to tear nothing up, y'all. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. I just frazzled something. Okay, what if I do it like this? Nope, that's not gonna get it out. Out. Take it in the middle. If I get in the middle and push upward, will it move? I'm gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna get under here, push up. It's getting there. What am I doing? Okay. I don't want to break nothing. All right, let's snap it into place. Let's go up some more. It's extended out further than what it was. Okay. All right, get some water. Got some ice water. Okay. I'm halfway there. Going under and seeing if I can push up again for this thing to extend. No, that closes it. This opens it. Pray I don't hurt myself. I pray I don't hurt myself. I think that's the 10 feet, but I'm on a slant. Okay. So, I don't guess that'll come off. Let's see if I lift this up. This thing might take off, y'all. Where's the slip part? Okay. Nope. Gotta take it back up again. That's where it's locked at. Okay. Lift up. Better do this in. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. Let me go get the other end. This is a 2-person job, I think. I think this is a 2-person. Okay. It's coming there. I just hope this thing don't take off and fly, because it's getting windy just as soon as I let it up. Okay, now I think I need to push up in the middle. But where is it gonna snap in at? I need a stool. I'm short. I know I got a ways to still go, but I'm definitely gonna need a stool, a step stool. 5'2", and that's not totally all the way up. I know that. I can tell. I hope it doesn't blow off while I'm trying to find a stool to step on. Y'all keep an eye on it for me. And if it starts to blow away, y'all just somebody run in and stop it. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna stand on the stool and push up until I hear a click. Oh, I see where it should click at. All right, I see the next click. It's not in the middle. It's right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna need the stool for that. Here we go. Stool, push up. Oh boy. Am I strong enough? I am not strong enough, y'all. Oh gosh. Be defeated on this one, y'all. Maybe there's some defeat going on here. Because every time I let the center go, it sinks back down. See how it slides back? This looks crazy. Me out here trying to shake that thing into place. This side might give first as far as snapping in. Okay. I'm like 2 inches from getting that thing to click in because of my height. What would happen? Would it get me closer to getting that thing where it should be? If I had another person, this would be up already. And when I let it go, you see how it slips back down? So, part two. Uno, dos. Part, how you say part in Spanish? Parte? No. Anyway. I don't know. I'm tired myself out now messing with this thing. I tried. I might just have to wait until my husband gets home and then come back once it's all set up, clicked into space, into its parts. Because right now, I can't do it. One last ditch effort. It's like almost there. Almost doesn't count. Almost doesn't count, y'all. All right. Anyway, you get the idea of it, what it's like. And me, myself, some people can put these together, just them. But me, I'm a little weak on this right here. I don't want to hurt myself either. But I'll be back with the part two with the completion of putting this tent up. But anyway, I gave it a good effort, but I think I'm defeated today. I hope it doesn't fly away. I'm gonna have to put it down because the wind is picking up. Got a little sweat going on. All right, this is Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Signing out part one. I'll be back with the part two. Close, but no cigar. All right. Bye for now. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Because thou hast rejected knowledge, I will also reject thee, that thou shalt be no priest to me. Seeing that thou hast forgotten the law of thy God, I will also forget thy children. As they were increased, so they sinned against me. Therefore will I change their glory into shame. They eat up the sin of my people, and they set their heart on their iniquity. And there shall be like people, like priests, and I will punish them for their ways and reward them for their doings. For they shall eat and not have enough. They shall commit whoredom and shall not increase, because they have left off to take heed to the Lord. Whoredom and wine and new wine take away the heart. May the Lord add a blessing to the reading and the hearing of his word. This has been Rita Rue of Creative Atmosphere. Have a blessed day.